We're on the road again. We're headed out to Sand Hollow. I know you're probably shocked, but we've been out here pretty much all weekend after I got done playing out the Coral Pinks. And I heard that we're after a Ford Expedition, but I also heard the possibility that we're after a Toyota Tacoma. So maybe we've got two different calls that are confused between the relay of the relay. Either way, we'll get up there in the old Cherokee, see if we can get them pulled out, and if not, we'll grab the Nodwell. I know it'll pull them out, but we'll take you along for the ride.
The sand dunes are pretty soft. If I air it down, I can probably drive it there.
I need to air down some more. Good Lord, this sand for soft.
This guy was saying there's a couple ATVs with a winch that they were going to try to pull it out, a 2,500 pound winch. That's sad.
They said they couldn't get it out. All right, well, we're working our way up in here, and sand dunes are pretty dry and soft. It's a balmy 98. It's calm and clear in hurricane, so we're gonna work our way in here and see if we can get these guys pulled out.
But the dunes are soft. I don't even know if a road. Oh, there's the.
Did they get him?
Looks like it. That's the Toyota.
Is there a Ford Expedition?
I don't know. This isn't where I thought he was talking.
I think he's over there. That's the bowl.
Let's pull up and ask if that's Mike. Pull up a second.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, they're doing it right now.
Better get a camera if we're gonna have room around the road. Buddy.
My Jeep would have been 400 degrees by now.
400.
400.
I don't know, watching people beat on their stuff. I'm
Kind of fun.
kind of all right with that.
That guy was a little bit on the challenging side to tow.
Yeah, he was not helping much.
I think he was doing more damage than good. Is he really stuck?
It looked like he was only turning into bats. Beer can. I think he just lost it. I don't know why that window only works when it wants to.
It's a Jeep thing.
What did we do? Leave parts? Or those mine or yours?
Uh-oh. Is that out of your truck?
let's hook him and we'll just pull him from there.
One hook him up.
Well, one or the other. No, it doesn't. I ain't got no pride in letting somebody else pull them out. Less wear and tear on me. I just die. I don't want this to go on.
That's dangerous.
Plain dangerous. We had this gal on a four-wheeler ride one time. She kept saying, "That's just plain dangerous." Are you sure all that dust is necessary? That's plain dangerous. I love those little trains.
Something I never done before yesterday.
What was that?
I fully, like, four-wheel drifted my truck sideways. Like, I had no traction on the front wheels.
Look at that little dust devil right there.
I was like, holy crap, never done that before.
Somebody just ripped the whole back of the bumper off.
I think that would have up that trailer.
Okay, it's like, oh crap. Who? What do you need help with? A welder?
New big.
A new bumper? You want me to see if we can, you want to see if we can pull you around in a loop? Okay, give her another try. Okay, I'll make sure you get out before we head out. Well, I'll get out of his way.
How's it $1,000 day?
Cost me $1,000
Oh.
to get a shop for a day.
That's $1,000 that you didn't make.
But it sure was fun.
See, when I say $1,000 day, I think I made the $1,000.
I'm losing $1,000.
Well, we can leave. I guess you told me to make sure you got out.
I did say that out loud.
Yeah, and I was like, why is he opening his mouth? Well, they've already ruined the trailers. Because there's no lots there.
I'm surprised that crossover's staying there. Oh, look at it bend. It's bending right now. Oh, it's gonna stay.
Get her done.
Yeah. All right, well that wasn't too big of a deal. We got there and there was some looky-loos, local guys that were out whaling today, so they decided to give him a pull out of there, and then the state park ranger broke his Jeep, so he got a pull up out of the hole and down to the main parking area, tore up a front U-joint in the drive knuckle, outer drive knuckle. So thanks for coming along for the ride.